Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 Review. The Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 is an outstanding piece of kit if you are a creative professional who wants a powerful laptop with the versatility of a 2-in-1 without the actual hassle of using one, assuming its very high price point is in line with your budget and you don't need to type for a living. The Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 is a major step up from previous Zenbook Duo models and is aimed squarely at creative professionals who are willing to make a major investment in their craft. The good thing is if you are serious about your art, whatever that might be, the Zenbook Duo Pro 15 has more than enough power to harness, as well as a secondary display that proves to be something more than a novelty. Adding a smaller but still functional secondary display right beneath it, both powered by an RTX 3070 GPU, and no battery stands much of a chance. The Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 is available now, starting at $2,299, $4,899 Australian dollars. And comes with an Intel Core i7-10870H, RTX 3070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6 VRAM, 16GB RAM, and 1TB C3.0 SSD. The design of the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo 15 is going to stand out regardless, but there are still a number of standout features that make it a laptop you will want to show off. There isn't a whole lot of airflow intake on the underside, which might make you think this laptop gets especially hot, but we found that wasn't the case thanks to ample venting from the side vents and also from vents underneath the secondary display. The laptop itself is pretty thick, coming in at 0.85 inches, 21.5 millimeters, when closed, and at 5.16 pounds, 2.34 kilograms, it's going to feel like a brick if you take it with you on the go. The included stylus provides a good response on both displays, so stylus wizards out there will get a lot of use out of it, assuming the AAA battery powering it doesn't run out on you. One of the biggest letdowns on the Zenbook Duo Pro 15 might be its limited number of ports, including the complete lack of an SD card slot of any kind. The performance of the Asus Zenbook Duo Pro 15 is one of its major selling points, though it is also one of the major factors keeping it from taking the creative crown entirely. On the positive side, the RTX 3070 GPU and Intel Core i9 processor, helped along by 32GB RAM, provide some truly incredible performance on a host of content creation tasks. All told, if the Zenbook Duo Pro 15 had the latest hardware with some more premium component options, like an RTX 3080, it wouldn't be a contest, but some creative professionals like 3D animators or game developers will find more powerful options on the market better suited toward their work, even though it might cost a bit more. The Asus Zenbook Duo Pro 15 might have a 92 Wh battery, but it's still not going to last very long running two 4K OLED displays, especially without an 11th gen Intel processor with Intel Evo certification. And the Zenbook Duo Pro 15 had pretty consistent battery performance regardless of the task, lasting 4 hours and 34 minutes. The webcam on the Asus Zenbook Duo Pro 15 is the standard 720p you get in even the best Windows laptops, so we can't really fault the mediocre camera quality. Thin bezels come at a cost, folks. The IR webcam is compatible with Windows Hello, on the positive side, and during our video calls we had no complaints about its performance, and the microphone is also adequate for the basic functionality. For a laptop this expensive, you shouldn't really see any bloatware, and the Asus Zenbook Duo Pro 15 almost gets there. Frankly, it feels like the bloatware version of robocalls telling you your car's extended warranty has expired and you need to call them back immediately. Why something like this is allowed on a $3,000 laptop is simply beyond us, but it's a bad look for a premium laptop.